好，Hello！呢條片咧會同大家講2025年 Paper Two 嘅3B 嘅咁樣，咁就係一條volumetric analysis 嘅題目啦。因為你未睇啲內容，你見到個 table 你已經知㗎啦咁樣。咁我哋呢個目標呢，就要揾 concentration of chloride in an impure water sample 啦。咁我哋呢個實驗過程呢，我哋就係將25cm 級嘅 sample 大率係250cm 級啦。咁喺呢一度呢，佢個 concentration 呢，就會係大率咗10倍嘅，但係咧佢個 number of mole 咧係不變嘅。跟住我哋就抽其中個10個 cm cube 出嚟咧，就去做 titration 啦，同 同 silver nitrate 去做 titration 啦，用一個 suitable 嘅 indicator 嘅。咁跟住之後咧，我哋就揾到個 endpoint 啦。咁當所有 chloride precipitate 咗出嚟之後咧，就係個 endpoint 啦。咁我哋都同大家睇翻書啦。咁啊，呢度書嘅63課嘅，咁就講其實。呢個就係呢一個 reaction 啦，就 Morse method 啦。咁佢就做即係都係揾 chloride ion 嘅 concentration in water sample 啦。咁樣就做呢個 precipitation titration 嘅。咁你見到都係用 silver nitrate 嚟做呢個嘅，即係同佢做 titration 啦。咁個 indicator 咧就係 potassium chromate 嘅。咁呢條題目咧冇問到嘅。咁但係即係你哋都要記得啦。potassium chromate 就係個 indicator 啦。咁樣咁potassium chromate 咧本身咧係黃色嘅。OK。本身係黃色嘅，咁跟住之後呢，咁個 reaction 呢，其實就係silver ion 喺 silver nitrate 嗰度同 chloride ion 去做 precipitation 啦，咁就 form 到 AgCl 出嚟嘅。咁但係呢，當所有嘅 Cl- 都已經用晒啦，同silver ion form 晒 precipitate 啦，咁跟住呢，再有 excess 嘅 silver ion 再加落去嘅時候呢，嗰個 indicator入面嘅 chromate 咧就會同 silver ion 去做 reaction，咁就 form 咗 silver chromate，which is reddish brown in colour 嘅。咁嗱有兩個 reaction 啦。咁首先咧佢會揀咗 chloride，即係啲 silver ion。silver ion 同邊個做 reaction 先啊？佢會同咗 chloride 做咗 reaction 先嘅。OK， 係啦，同咗 chloride 去做咗 reaction 先，跟住之後咧就再同呢個嘅 chromate 去做，先至再同 chromate 做 reaction 嘅。咁點解會咁呢？個 learning trip 有講啦，咁就自己睇啦。係啦。自己睇，我唔講啦。咁跟住之後呢，就然後呢，咁所以本身呢，佢係 chromate 嘅時候就係黃色啦。咁當佢 form 咗啲 precipitate，即係 silver chloride 啦。咁呢個時候啲 chromate 未用噶嘛。咁但係 silver chloride 係白色嘅 precipitate，咁就用咗喺啲黃色嘅 solution 入面，就變咗咁嘅色啦。OK，咁但係 at the end 呢，當所有 chloride 用晒啦，再加 additional 嘅 silver ion 落去呢，就會同到個 indicator 做 reaction，form reddish brown 嘅 precipitate 啦。咁所以呢，佢個 endpoint 呢就會係咁嘅色嘅咁樣。OK，咁介紹一下呢個 reaction 做緊啲乜嘢啦。咁跟住呢 part 1呢就係要畫 label diagram for the titration 咁樣啦。咁我哋畫 label diagram 嘅時候呢，首先要畫 burette 啦咁樣。咁我哋要畫到即係個 burette喺上面啦。咁然後呢，要 label 啊嘛。咁所以呢個係 burette 啦。咁入面嘅 solution 呢，就應該係 silver nitrate 嚟嘅。OK， 佢話用 silver nitrate 同佢做 titration 啊嘛，咁啊0.0802m 嘅 silver nitrate 啦。咁跟住咧留意翻個 tube 啦，咁樣咁就有個即係有個 stop cock 咁啊喺度啦。咁跟住之後咧就滴落嚟下面個 solution， 下面喺個 conical vase 入面個 solution 係啲乜嘢咧？呢個係 conical vase 啦，要 label 啊嚇。咁入面嘅 solution 咧就係個 sample 啦。係啦，個 sample 同埋個 indicator 咁樣啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住之後呢，咁我哋就 part 2啦。咁啊計 reasonable average 啦。你見到佢做咗5次嘅。咁我哋呢 reasonable 呢，即係要揾3個比較近嘅。嗱，你見到呢個8.3同後面嗰啲7點幾呢，其實爭得比較遠啦。同埋 trial 通常就唔會計嘅。咁你見到就應該係7.80啦、7.75啦同埋7.85嘅。你見到中間7.10呢係細咗好多嘅，所以係唔 reasonable 嘅。咁所以我哋要計啦。咁就嗱 calculate 你要 show 翻個 step 俾佢喎，你要 show 到俾佢睇，我用緊7.80加7.75再加7.85，咁跟住呢，有3次嘅 trial， 咁就記住嗱，計完出係7.8嘅，7.8呢係錯嘅，7.80先係啱嘅，記住小數點後2個位，因為sorry 唔係 per cube cm cube 咁樣啦，因為佢係即係小數點後2個位噶嘛，burette reading，OK， 好啦。 同埋小數點後兩個，即係7.8同7.80係有分別嘅。7.80係 more accurate 嘅，咁啊記住啦。咁跟住之後呢，就第三啦，咁就要計啦，計 concentration of chloride in gram per cm cube。咁我哋呢就計翻呢個嘅，我哋睇翻條 equation 先啦，Ag plus 啦同 Cl minus 之間嘅 reaction 啊嘛。咁所以呢，呢度係0.080，係咪0.0802啊？係啦，0.0802m 啦，跟住呢就用咗7.80個 cm cube 啦。咁呢個呢，我就唔知 concentration，但係呢就用咗10個 cm cube 嘅，記住留意翻唔係25啊，佢用咗10個 cm cube 㗎咋。OK，咁所以呢，我哋可以計咗 number of moles of 呢個嘅 AgNO3 use 啦。咁就0.0802再乘7.80 over 1000，係啦。咁就所以呢，就撳完計數機6.2556乘10嘅負4次方 mole 啦。咁佢哋個 mole ratio 呢係1:1嘅。咁所以呢 number of moles of Cl minus 呢應該都係等於6.2556乘10嘅負4次方啦。咁但係呢，呢度係講緊 in 嗰10個 cm cube 啫。OK，in 嗰10個 cm cube。咁你睇下你想唔想一次過計啦？咁我哋可以寫好少少 number of mole of chloride in the sample。咁所以呢，呢度係喺個10個 cm cube 入面啦。寫低少少先。係啦。咁然後呢，咁所以呢，喺呢10個 cm cube 入面。咁喺翻呢250 cm cube 有幾多呢？咁就要乘翻啦，乘翻大佢啦。咁就係乘翻喺個乘翻大佢250 over 10。OK，250 over 10啦，咁樣。咁呢個就係 number of mole of chloride 啦。OK，然後呢，再乘翻唔係，呢個係 number of mole of chloride in the sample。啱啦 ，number of mole 係啱嘅。係啦，咁所以呢，就撳一撳計數機啦，即係乘25啦。等下，由頭開始計先，0802乘7.8除1000，跟住之後呢，乘250，再除10，0.01564 mole啦。咁跟住呢，個 concentration in gram per cm cube 呢，咁所以 concentration of Cl minus in gram per cm cube 喎，而家要咁就係0.01564啦，就係佢 number of mole 啦，乘翻35.5就係佢個 mass 啦。咁而家 per cm cube 喎，咁一開頭嘅時候呢，係25個 cm cube 噶嘛，咁所以除翻25啦。咁就乘35.5啦，再除翻25，係啦。咁就等於0.0222，係啦，0.022212 gram per cm cube 啦。OK，就係咁。咁跟住之後呢，就最後啦，咁就要講話原來個 sample 呢，除咗有 chloride 之外呢，都有 bromide 埋嘅。咁如果喺呢個 case 入面嘅話呢，咁我個計出嚟嘅 chloride 嘅 concentration 呢，應該係高咗定低咗呢？咁我嚟諗翻啦，呢一個 reaction 呢，其實就 based on 即係呢一個 titration 其實 based on 呢個 reaction 啊嘛。咁但係呢，留意翻呢，其實 Ag plus 同 Br minus 呢都有 reaction 嘅。OK，都係會 form precipitate 嘅。咁所以如果佢有埋 bromide 喺入面嘅話呢，你又 ignore 咗佢啦。咁即係話其實實際上佢做 reaction 嘅時候，其實係多咗 silver ion 係用咗落去嘅。OK， 用多咗 silver ion， 因為佢除咗同 chloride react 之外呢，仲同埋啲 bromide react， 先至再同個 chromate， 即係先至再同個 indicator react 啊嘛。咁所以呢，就會應該係會 higher than the actual value 啦，就係 overestimated 咯咁樣，因為喺個過程入面呢，即係 Ag plus 都會同 Br minus 去 form precipitate 嘅咁樣。 OK，咁所以咧用多咗 sulfur nitrate 去 reach the end point 咁樣啦。咁我哋可以講翻咧higher 啦，higher than the actual value 啦，係啦，下面冇位寫翻喺度。OK，higher than actual value 啦，係啦。咁你要解釋嘅咁樣 because Ag plus also react with Br minus to form precipitate 咁樣啦。係啦，就係咁就講完啦。咁但係咧都想俾大家再睇多一條啦，咁樣咁其實喺2019年嘅 Paper 2咧，其實有一條都好類似嘅題目，即係同一個 reaction 嚟。咁你見到都係講緊 chloride 啦，講緊 sulfur nitrate 啦，都係要畫 label diagram 啦，咁樣咁所以你都可以即係再參考翻呢一條睇下你可唔可以識做咁樣咯。OK，咁就真係講完啦。